Hey guys, Cam here, and at IFA this year, Nokia launched a huge range of new smartphones. But the two most important are the 7.2 and the 6.2, which from the outside look very similar. They have a stunning looking rear glass panel built onto a classy metal frame, and that symmetrical round camera protrusion is nice too. And it's here where you'll notice the difference between the two. The 7.2 has Zeiss stamped on it, the 6.2 doesn't. They both have the same 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with SDR to HDR conversion. They both run the same Android Pie software as part of the Android One program, and that means you'll get Android 10 soon. Even the processing power is similar, with the 7.2 featuring the Snapdragon 660 versus the 636 on the Nokia 6.2. But it's in the cameras where you'll probably notice the bigger difference. The more premium model has Zeiss optics and a primary 48 megapixel sensor. It also has a 5 megapixel depth camera and an ultra-wide third camera. This enables a bunch of preset depth effects to help add some softer backgrounds to your photos. But similar effects are also achieved with the 6.2, and its primary sensor is lower resolution. They both have the same 3500 mAh battery with the same 10-watt charging speed. And as well as its smartphones, Nokia launched this cute little flip phone. It's called the Nokia 2720 Flip, and it runs a new custom software that includes popular smartphone features like Google Assistant, and it also has WhatsApp and Facebook apps. And of course, there's Snake on there, because it wouldn't be a Nokia without it. These, along with the other smartphones, are all coming soon.